Are you looking for the best resin sheds? In this video we will look at some of the best resin sheds. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Keter Resin Storage Shed. The Keter Resin Storage Shed is ideal for large gardens or extensive storage needs. The shed's dimensions, 75.6 x 51.2 x 78h, make it ideal for storing large items such as garden tools and outdoor furniture. Made from polypropylene resin plastic reinforced with steel, it's designed to endure harsh weather without peeling, rusting, or rotting. The ventilation system at the peak of the shed ensures it remains free from mustiness, crucial during hot or wet weather. The lockable door feature enhances security, though it's worth noting that adding a robust padlock is advised for high-value items. Its wood-like texture not only adds an aesthetic charm but also blends seamlessly with garden settings. Despite its strengths, the assembly process can be challenging, and it's recommended to prepare a solid base for installation to avoid alignment issues. Material: polypropylene resin plastic, steel reinforced. Interior dimensions: 43.7 inches. WX 69.7 inches. DX 74.8 inches. H. Exterior dimensions: 51.2 inches. WX 75.6 inches. DX 78 inches. H. Capacity: 131.8 cubic feet. Ventilated with a peak vent. Includes a built-in window for natural lighting. UV-resistant material. Requires a solid and level base for proper setup. Number 4. Rubbermaid Resin Storage Shed. Maximize your outdoor storage with the Rubbermaid Resin Storage Shed, perfectly designed for smaller yards or patios. With dimensions of 53.2 x 57 x 76.8h, this compact shed offers ample space to securely store essential tools, such as push mowers and gardening equipment. Its smart design ensures a significant storage capacity without overwhelming your space, making it an ideal choice for efficient organization in limited areas. Made with double-wall resin and an impact-resistant floor, this shed is durable and can withstand bad weather. The metal handle accents add a touch of style and functionality, blending well with outdoor decor. One of its best features is that it is maintenance-free. It doesn't need painting and resists dents and leaks. The shed is easy to assemble with no special tools needed. Some users suggest pre-drilling holes to make assembly easier. Dimensions: 53.2 x 57 x 76.8h. Double-wall resin construction. Impact-resistant floor. Lockable doors for security, lock sold separately. Metal handle accents for aesthetic appeal. Designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. The floor could be more robust against heavy items. Number 3. HOMSPARK Resin Storage Shed. The HOMSPARK Resin Storage Shed is a stylish and multi-purpose storage solution. It measures 29.1 x 41.3 x 51.1h, making it ideal for small gardens, patios, or balconies. Despite its compact size, it provides ample storage for garden tools, barbecue grills, and more. Made with double-layer resin sheets and blow molding technology, the shed offers excellent wind and impact resistance. It is weather-resistant and low-maintenance, perfect for busy homeowners. The shed's light beige walls and gray roof add elegance to any outdoor space. Assembling the shed is easy and takes under an hour with basic tools. However, aligning the panels can be tricky. Dimensions: 29.1 x 41.3 x 51.1h. Material: high-density polyethylene. Double-wall panels for added durability. Lockable lid for security, lock not included. Simple tool-free assembly. Stylish decor compatible with various outdoor settings. Waterproof and UV-resistant. Shelves not included. Number 2. Suncast Resin Storage Shed. The Suncast Resin Storage Shed provides an efficient way to store long-handled tools and equipment. With dimensions of 52 x 32.5 x 71.5h, its vertical design is ideal for storing long-handled tools and other tall items. Made from durable resin, this shed withstands various weather conditions, protecting against water damage and UV degradation. A notable feature is its lockable doors, which enhance security for stored items. The multi-wall panels are engineered for strength, and the shed has a water-resistant finish to guard against the elements. While the Suncast shed boasts a robust design, some users find assembly challenging, especially when aligning the panels. It's recommended to have an assistant and set aside ample time to ensure a perfect fit. Dimensions: 52D x 32.5 W x 71.5 H. Material: resin. Multi-wall panels for enhanced strength. Lockable doors. Water-resistant finish. UV protection to prevent fading. Designed for vertical storage of long-handled tools. Limited customization options compared to some other models. Sensible storage preserves essential yard or patio space with smaller footprint. Safely stores lawn care equipment such as push mowers, long garden tools, brooms, ladders, and more. Unmatched durability, tough, double-wall resin construction and an impact-resistant floor are designed for long-term durability. Shed won't rust or rot, providing weather resistance all year long, unlike metal or wood sheds. Maintenance-free, dent and leak resistant, this shed is designed to stand up to harsh weather conditions and stay looking good, year after year. Customized to your needs, use Rubbermaid wall anchors to add pegboard, shelves, utility hooks, sports racks, and other accessories to the inside of the shed. Each wall panel is strong enough to hold up to 75 pounds, using Rubbermaid shed accessories. Lockable doors, lockable for added security. Lock sold separately. Assembly: no special tools required for assembly. Number 1. KINYING Resin Storage Shed. The KINYING Resin Storage Shed offers a large capacity with twin wall panels. This shed measures 29D x 46W x 76.7 H. It features a twin wall panel design that boosts its strength and wind resistance. Made from high-density polyethylene, it is weather-resistant, UV-protected, and retains its color, making it suitable for long-term outdoor use. One of its best features is the storage capacity. It can store lawnmowers, pool equipment, children's toys, and garden tools. You can add up to 4 shelves for customized storage. The lockable doors enhance security. The design is both functional and attractive, with a creamy white color that matches most outdoor decors. Exterior dimensions: 50 inches. W x 29 inches. D x 79.53 inches. H. Interior dimensions: 46 inches. W x 25.2 inches. D x 76.77 inches. H. Capacity: 51.5 cubic feet. Material: high-density polyethylene resin. UV protected and weather resistant. Supports up to 4 shelves. Twin wall panels for added strength. Requires a flat surface for optimal stability.